Hi guys, there's not a problem to send voice messages in mobile version of Discord, but on PC you just don't have this microphone icon. So let me show you how you can send voice messages in the desktop version of Discord. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. First you need to do is completely close Discord. So close the user window. Now right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager, click on the search bar, find Discord, right-click on Discord and end task to terminate all background processes. Now close the Task Manager and open your web browser. What you need is find this website, wancord.dev. This is the spatial mode which allows you to send and upload voice messages in Discord. So let's download Wancord. Select your operating system, Windows in my case. So download installer. Once downloaded, click on the file. Install the stable version. You don't need custom installation unless you are professional. So let's install. Successfully patched. Click OK. Now you can close this window and minimize your browser. Now launch the Discord application again and go to Settings, this gear icon next to your profile, and scroll down to the Wancord section. Go to Plugins, type in Voice in the search bar and find Voice Messages. Enable this feature. Now let's close Settings and go to any chat and tap on this plus icon. Now you can send voice message. Click on this item. You can start recording or even upload a file. So let's record the message. Stop recording. You can listen your message. Record the message. Adjust loudness if you need. And once you're ready, just click on send. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.